They say when you hear the sounds of devils, all else is quiet. My general question to that is, how do you know if what you are hearing is the work of such devious beings? I would venture to say that most devilish noises occur when large numbers of men decide to force the hand of mortality upon one another. And I'd say further that on such occasions, there is not just one sound, but many. It is a quiet orchestra of death. It is also possible that the man who wrote that saying might have just had some broke ears. I can't explain all this. What uncertainty does to a man's soul. But I do know it can drive the mind mad. $17,000 dead in one engagement. Some would say that it's the grace of God that gives us the strength to bear the shaking timbers of the fallen earth. Most would agree there was just nowhere to go. Sometimes when I wake up, I feel like I'm still sleeping. I feel like all the colors and shapes of the world have collided, and all I can do is just sit there and watch. I think a person's heart has a way of turning off when it can't find reason. I guess that's why nature has always had an inspiring presence. Everything follows a purpose. I guess we're missing something. Why do we struggle to breathe a more righteous breath when we all end up in the same place? I'd like to hope our history is worth remembering. An imprint of careful design, a feeling of heartfelt purpose, and a sense of hope for something bigger than ourselves. Then, maybe I'll wake up.